Assalamu alaikum and good morning. How are you all? This is a session of grade 2 science. Today, just open page number 57. We continue the chapter health and safety. Okay. Write today's date here, that is 28 9 2020. Practice zone. Match the columns. We have to match column A with column B. Okay. In column A, they are numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. In column B, they wrote A, B, C, D. Okay. So you have to match column A with column B or numbers with the alphabets. Okay. Always use the zebra crossing. It may attack you. You could hurt yourself while crossing the road. You could burn yourself. C. While crossing the road. Match number 1 with number C. Always use the zebra crossing while crossing the road. Number 2, do not tease an animal. It may attack you, you could hurt yourself, you could burn yourself. It may attack you. A. Match number 2 with A. Do not tease an animal, it may attack you. Okay? Number 3. Do not play with a matchbox. Do not play with a matchbox. You could hurt yourself, you could burn yourself. You could burn yourself. Never play with matchbox. Match column number 3 with D. Number 4, do not play with a knife. You could hurt yourself. We should never play with a knife. We could hurt ourselves. Okay. Number 4 with B. Okay. Activity zone. Be aware. We do this activity later after doing the question answer. You have to do this activity. It's your homework. But after doing the question answers. Okay. In the notebook. You have to do it in the notebook after doing the question answers. Collect pictures on road safety. Make a chart on what the safety rules you need to follow on the road. You have to make a chart. Collect the safety rules and road safety, and you are going to make a chart. So instead of making chart, you are going to you are going to make a chart in your notebook, but not right now after doing the question answers. So it's your homework, but I give you later. Now move on to page number 58. Experiment zone. Visit a library to your parents or do an internet search. Answer the following question. You are going to visit the library or do an internet activity, na? In internet search. So what you are going to find the answers. What should a first aid kit contain? What we have to keep in first aid kit. Okay. Why do you think we should have a first aid kit at home and in the classroom? Why you think that it should be at home or in the classroom? Okay. First aid kit. Okay. Find these two answers. We are discuss later. Okay. In the next class, inshallah. Prepare a first aid kit using a rectangle box. Put the necessary first aid items into it. Make a small booklet on how to be safe at home or on the road and at school, and put it in your first aid kit. Okay. Just see, every house has a first aid kit. I also make a first aid kit at my home. Okay. This is my first aid kit. Either you are going to make with a cardboard box or in a plastic box. So I make it in the plastic box. What it contain different types of tablets, medicines, but before using it, just see the expiry dates. It's written here in this way, or you can read in this way. Okay. So I have basic medicines like Calpol, Panadol, Disprin. See, its expiry dates is written here. Okay, just see the expiry date first. Okay. I have few like cough tablets like Swalene. Okay. I have ORS in the box. I kept ORS. Okay. Some ointments, eye ointments, and this ointment for teeth, for rashes, sorry, Canalog, for okay, crepe bandage, I have crepe bandage. Again tablets. Pyodine. I have pyodine. I have this bandage. I have this Sunnyplus first aid bandage, and I have this brace, hand brace and knee brace. Okay, these type of brace. Elbow and hand brace, wrist brace and elbow brace. Okay, it's come in sizes. Okay, so I have different types of medicines in my first aid box. Okay, so you are going to make it at your home. Okay, you have to prepare a kit, and what you are going to do, you are going to make a booklet as well. So you have to how to be safe at home, on the roads and school, and put it in the first aid kit. You are going to make a kit and put it a booklet on it, that how you are going to save on it. Okay, now fascinating fact: the first electric traffic light was developed in 1912 by Lester Wire, a policeman in Salt Lake City, Utah. The traffic light also used red and green light. So, what they say, that traffic light was developed in 1912. Okay, by a Lester is the name of a person, Lester Wire, and he is a policeman. Where he is a policeman? In Salt Lake City, Utah, and his traffic light also this traffic light also use red and green lights. Okay, now we come to recap zone. In recap zone, that you are going to be remember that the different ways to be safe. Okay, at home, never touch sockets or plugs with your wet hands. Swimming, if you don't know the swimming, never go alone near the swimming pool. Okay, in the school, do not play in the corridors, class, and on the stairs. While playing, do not hit or push anyone. On the road, do not play on the road, or when you are going to cross the road, just cross it from the zebra crossing and just look at both the ways. Now, vocabulary zone. Do you remember these new words? Zebra crossing, black and white lines on the road that are used for crossing safely. Safety, freedom from harm or danger. Tease, a laugh, or upset someone. Okay. Now, skill zone. Write today's date here. Write classwork. Take the action that follow the rules of safety correctly. Are they using the safety? Follow the rules? Yes, they cross from the zebra crossing. Put a tick here. Now see this picture. The girl is sitting in the car and she's wearing the seat belt. Yes, put a tick here. Now, number of people are climbing on the bus and they are sitting on the top of the bus. Is this safety rule? No. So put a cross here. Okay. Bubbles do not know how to swim but want to swim in the new swimming pool at school. Bubble, she didn't know how to swim, but she wants to swim in the swimming pool at school. Jimbo tells him to follow safety rules. What safety rules should Bubble follow? What safety rules should she follow? She go, just see, it's written here, she enter a pool with an adult and make sure she is going to take swimming tube, floater, or arm band, because she don't know about the swim. Okay, how to swim. Okay, we do it later, inshallah. After values in action. After Jimbo finished playing with his toys, he left them scattered on the floor. Twinkle asked him to pick up them as she was worried about their grandfather who had come to visit them. Is it right to leave your toys around? Why was Tickle worried about their grandfather? Okay, Jimbo finishing playing with his toy, and he left his toys scattered on the floor. So Twinkle asked her to pick up as she was worried about grandfather. Why? Because for sudden maybe he can trip or fall on toys and he get hurt. Okay, so people, especially the elder, can trip and fall on the toys left scattered around. Okay, if the toys are scattered on the floor, the elder people can trip or fall on the toys. So always make sure you keep your belongings in the proper place. So we should keep our things on their proper place. Okay. Now move on to testing zone. So write today's date and classwork. Tick the correct answer. You are going to tick the correct answer. Never touch electrical socket with dry hands, wet hands, safety gloves or safety tools. Wet hands. Never touch electrical sockets with wet hands. Okay. Dash keep us safe. Scissors, safety rules, Animal Crossing or dolls. Dash keep us safe. What keep us safe? Safety rules keep us safe. What keep us safe? Safety rules keep us safe. Okay. Number C. We should never play with a dash. Doll, teddy bear, toy train or blade. We should never play with blade. Put a tick here on blade. Okay. Now move on to question number 1. Fill in the blanks. Always walk on the dash crossing when cross the road. Always walk on the zebra crossing. ZEBRA. Zebra crossing. Okay. Do not get off a moving dash. Moving vehicle. VEHICLE. Never get off or get on a moving vehicle. Okay. VEHICLE. Okay. Number 3. Question number 3. Write T for true statement and write F for false statements. We must play in the middle of the road. False. We must push others while playing. False. It's not true. False. We must always pluck flowers when we see them in our garden. False. Never follow safety rules. False. We always follow safety rules. We never pluck flowers when we see in the garden. Never. It's false. We must push others while playing. No, we never push others while playing. We must play in the middle of the road. No, we never play in the middle of the road because it's very dangerous.